This is a new setting. Okay, so I got a question. She was talking about how she's going live. She feels amazing. She's getting out of her comfort zone, but she still feels kind of awkward. I don't know how to be myself. How do I go live without being so nervous? You may feel a little uptight, like you don't know what's going on. How do I do this? So we're gonna talk about that today. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, in a different setting. Total side note, my child is very loud, so I'm trying out to see if this is gonna be a better space. So here I share quick tips to start building your personal brand, get confident on camera, and monetize your socials, even if you have a small following. So let's get straight into this question. And here's the question. I really have been wanting to go live, but I get so into my head, get nervous, and I end up not doing it because I feel like I'm not myself and I have to be perfect. How can you become more confident on live video? I need you to make sure to watch the video if you have not already, that talks about why live video is something that you have to implement into your business and personal brand. It is still relevant to go live. I mean, I started in 2016. If you haven't watched this video, you need to.
Hi everyone, I'm super excited. Thank you for joining us today. We're just gonna wait a few more minutes so everyone can go ahead and log on. While we wait, I just wanna thank everyone for making this extra time.
Yikes. I mean, it wasn't pretty, but I got it done and I cannot be more grateful that I just pressed play, went live, and here we are today. So number one, be prepared. We've talked about this before. Something that's very helpful is preparing what you want to talk about. Are you trying to build your community? Are you wanting your audience to get to know you a little bit better? Are you showing a tutorial? Are you showcasing something? Are you gonna be talking on live without showing your face? I made a video on how to write on a whiteboard, a piece of paper, something like that on live without showing your face. So are you explaining something? If you just press play and just have no idea what you're talking about, well, that's one of the reasons why you are nervous. So prepare yourself with something that you're going to be talking about. Also use a sticky note so you don't get distracted with your own face. Sometimes we are looking at our hair, or then we get nervous and we start doing this and just all fidgety. So cover your face up with a few sticky notes and put the points on your sticky notes so you can be focused on your audience. The next thing is remove distractions. So as you guys know, I am in a different place. Usually I'm in my office, but what I found is that I can't really be myself, my own volume, because my child hears me and you can hear everything. Right now it's nap time. I could yell as loud as I want. Another way to remove distractions is putting your phone on do not disturb and turning off all the notifications, because what I've found is that when the chats are blowing up my phone, when the notifications are blowing up, I get super distracted. One last tip with distractions is putting in some headphones. I love my AirPods because they're noise canceling, so I can just put them in if I know that my child is being way too loud and I need to focus on delivering a point, delivering a message. Number two, I need you to think about the fact that it's not about you. If you are dedicated to educating your audience, nurturing your audience, giving them the tutorials and the tools that you need, you're not going to be thinking about you, on how you're going to feel, if you're going to be looking dumb, or whatever your thoughts behind the live video are. You're not going to be thinking about that because you know that you have an important message for your audience. Number three, invite your support system. That could be your husband, that could be your best friend forever, girlfriend. I need you to come to my live. I'm gonna be live at 6 p.m. I need some feedback. Please be there. I'm gonna just be talking to you. I highly doubt that your best friend will say no. Number four is easier said than done, but it's be you. So when I started my live video journey, I wanted to be so professional. Like I couldn't even move, or my hair had to be perfect. Like everything was so professional, and it wasn't until I let go of that perfectionist professionalism I was able to enjoy coming on camera. So my audience can get to know me, they can love who I am, me, and not this glamorized, professional, perfect business owner. Number five, I'm so sorry, you're gonna hate me. Embrace the suck, because you may not be amazing the first 1, 2, 3 10 videos. Can't expect to just be perfect the first time if you've only done one live video in your life. I mean, remember my first ever live video? Scary. A bonus tip, use the practice mode on your phone. I have a tutorial on. Go on and practice. One thing that you just have to be comfortable with is continuing to do it. The beauty of live video is that people know that it's live, so you're not expected to be perfect. You can stutter accidentally and it's fine because that's the expectation of live video. Now I'm gonna give you a task, okay? Stay with me. I have some homework for you. I want you to go live every day for 5 days. I'm just gonna rip off the band-aid, okay? How are you supposed to feel comfortable if you're only doing it once when you remember? So it's right under the description. I'm gonna give you a 5-day plan, but make sure that you do this tomorrow. The best way to get better is not just intaking this information, implement it. We're gonna get you comfortable in front of your audience. Tell me in the comments if you're gonna do this live video challenge, and subscribe so you don't miss another video like this. But don't forget to get that worksheet so you can have an accountability buddy walk you through this challenge. I'll see you in the next video.